Hello everyone, welcome to the Real Deal kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a light small appetizer dish or lunch, whatever you want to use this dish for. But first I want to introduce some of my seasonings that I normally use in a few of my dishes. So I have the cayenne pepper, cinnamon, which is good to regulate your blood sugar, and parsley flakes, turmeric, which is really good, ginger powder, and paprika, Mrs. Dash, and also oregano, thyme, salt with iodized salt, but I'm not going to be using any salt in this dish today, okay? These are a few other little things, but first, for my dish for today, I would like to use only 5 of these seasonings. So the parsley flakes I'm going to be using, and the turmeric powder, which is a great antifungal and blood thinner. Ginger, which you all know ginger is very good. Paprika and Mrs. Dash. So the dish I'm going to be making today is going to contain water crackers and sardine, sardine is a very healthy meat. Very healthy fish. Good for the bone. Has omega-3, calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B12. It's really good for your bone and for your heart. Okay, so this dish, the crackers, I use the Jamaican Excelsior water crackers, but you can use any crackers of your choice. And this one has a cinnamon in it, fat-free. I like this one personally, so I use this one. So with a dish like this today, on any busy day, you come home from work, you have a very busy day and don't feel like going to the kitchen and doing a big cooking. You want to make something quick while you sit in front of TV watching, or you're doing some computer work, whatever you're doing, or you're working from home that day. Just need something light to put in your stomach. With this dish, you can actually have a cup of tea, coffee, whatever drink you like, a beer, doesn't matter. But first, let me open this sardine, put in this dish. It's very easy to open, you're not going to break your nails. You press it in and then you pull it back. Oh, how easy is that? Be careful, don't cut yourself. See, I put my hands on the side and I pull this back gently. Alright, so you want the juice because it's going to add moist to your sardine. So you don't want it dry. I mean, some of you can throw off some of the oil. It's actually soybean oil, which is good for you. It's healthy, really healthy. You know, having a little oil to it actually helps you digest the nutrient from the food. So you don't want to make it dry. So rest is here. I have this paper towel here to make my workstation stay nice and neat. You know, I don't want to have a lot of cleanup to do. So I'm going to sprinkle Mrs. Dash just a little bit. This is, you know, add a little flavor. Sometimes if it's hard like that, you just knock it, loosen it up. And this sardine, you don't have to cook it on the stove, you can just eat it right from the can. So you put a little bit. No, this is kind of a little hard. So when that happens, just knock it up. Shake it around, loosen it up a little bit. Okay, there you go. Just a little bit. And then paprika. If you don't like paprika, you don't have to add it. That's okay. That's how I'm going to be using 5. So out of the 5, you must like at least 2 or 3. But you could add any other of those. I'm just adding these because this is what I like for a simple dish like this. Ginger powder and turmeric, good for blood thinning. So if you're on a blood thinning medication, you really don't want to use turmeric. Okay, you can use something else, or you can just eliminate it completely. Parsley flakes, add a little greens to it, and then least, but I'm gonna add a little thyme to it. I know I said I was gonna add these 5, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of thyme. You know, being in a Jamaican kitchen, thyme is very important to add to your diet. Something that we don't eliminate from our dishes. Okay, so you just mix it around gently with the fork. How beautiful is this? Then for me who love my food to be hot or pepper, I like to add a little kick to it. So guess what? I'm going to be adding some cayenne pepper to it. Or you can even cut up some jalapenos to it. But I'm just going to add the cayenne pepper powder. I'm trying to make this dish very simple. I don't want anything to overload me. This servings right here could actually serve 2 or 3 people, see, or maybe 2 or even 1 person. You can add another can of sardine if you'd like, but I'm just going to do 1 right now. Like I said, it depends on how much you like the dish. You can do it for 3, 2, or 1 person. So it's based on you. I love this. I could finish this by myself. Sit in front of the TV, watch the news. I have a friend over. You know, you're just chilling. Make something a little small and nice. See? How does this look to you guys? Very beautiful. You can add salt to it, but I try to use salt as less as possible. But if you're going to be adding salt to your dish, any one of your dish, make sure it's an iodized salt. Reason for that, salt with iodized is actually good for your thyroid gland. And we all know the thyroid gland is a gland that regulates your hormones, your body temperatures. So you need iodized salt for a thyroid. So you can line up the crackers, nice and beautiful. You can add more to it. I like to dip my crackers in the juice. Oh, so nice. And it's very crunchy. There you go. See? Simple. How long does this take to make? Then I could get my cup of tea. I'm a tea drinker, as you can see. I have the Jamaican Caribbean soursop tea bag. You know, that's a Spanish word. Soursop. Very good for you. And then I have the ginger lemon tea bag, caffeine free. You boil the water, put a tea bag in there, you're good to go. Let it simmer for 5 minutes in the cup of water. You can add your sugar, your milk, whatever you want to add to it. So you walk around with this dish. Say you have a guest at your house. They're in the living room watching TV, trying to prepare something real quick for them, right? You just have this dish right here. You walk around, you put it on the table. All they have to do, pick up the crackers. Very delicious. See? Very nice. So guys, try it out. Tell me how it tastes, what you like about it. Any questions, let me know, feel free. And subscribe to my video. There are more going to be coming out soon. So please let me know, what are your thoughts? And this simple Jamaican water crackers, cinnamon water crackers. Like I said, you can use any crackers. And sardine. Sardine is very healthy. It's a healthy fish for you, small fish that is so healthy for your bones. So you can research it. It's very healthy. And this dish is you call it sardine with crackers, water crackers. Add a little spice to give it a little flavor. Add cayenne pepper, give it a little kicks for those who likes their food spicy. If you don't like your food spicy, you can eliminate this cayenne pepper. And you can add whatever seasons of your choice. You don't have to add these, you can use others of your choice. But I use these because these are what I normally like to use. I'm very little health conscious, you know. You can add a little cinnamon in there if you want to add it. Okay, and as you know, cinnamon controls your blood sugar. So, but this is a really tasty dish. You go around and you serve it to your guests or serve it to yourself. So please go ahead, try it out, and subscribe to my video. Okay, see you next time.